What are the ethical considerations in crime scene investigation? What are the ethical considerations in crime scene investigation? This question is vital for understanding how investigators operate. Crime scene investigation involves handling sensitive evidence and information that can shape the outcome of legal cases. Therefore, ethical considerations are fundamental to ensure justice and fairness. Key ethical principles include integrity, objectivity, impartiality, and respect for privacy. Investigators must avoid bias and maintain transparency. They need to ensure that evidence is preserved without contamination or alteration. Integrity means that investigators must honestly document and report findings. They should never manipulate evidence or results to favor any party involved in the case. Objectivity requires investigators to set aside personal beliefs and stereotypes. They must provide unbiased analysis and testimony. This is especially important because wrongful bias can lead to serious miscarriages of justice. For example, racial profiling or preconceived notions can skew the investigation's outcome. Another ethical obligation is maintaining the chain of custody. This means carefully tracking and securing evidence from the moment it is collected until it is presented in court. This process prevents tampering or loss of evidence. Avoiding contamination of evidence is essential to preserve its reliability and credibility. Respecting the privacy and dignity of victims, suspects, and their families is also crucial. Investigators must handle sensitive information discreetly. They should avoid unnecessary exposure or disclosure that could harm individuals involved in the case. Transparency throughout the investigative process helps maintain public trust. This includes clear documentation of procedures and disclosing any conflicts of interest. Communicating findings honestly is also part of being transparent. Forensic experts involved in crime scene investigation must work within their professional competence. They should avoid overstepping their expertise and provide testimony based strictly on scientific evidence. Engaging in ongoing ethics training is important to navigate dilemmas. These dilemmas may include pressure to deliver favorable results or conflicts of interest. Crime scene investigators share challenges with other high-risk professions like logging, deep-sea fishing, or storm chasing. They often work in unpredictable and, sometimes hazardous environments. Mistakes in these fields can have serious consequences. Just as those professions requiring strict safety protocols, crime scene investigation demands rigorous adherence to ethical standards. This protects the integrity of the investigation and the rights of all individuals involved. Both types of work requiring a balance of technical skill, careful judgment, and ethical responsibility under pressure.